cruising has become an increasingly popular vacation option for travelers around the world. With the opportunity to explore multiple destinations while enjoying all the amenities of a floating resort, cruises offer a unique and enjoyable travel experience. However, with the wide variety of options available, finding the best cruise deals can be a daunting task. This guide aims to simplify that process by providing comprehensive information on where to find the best deals, the types of cruises available and their costs, top destinations, the best times to travel, and tips for maximizing savings. Where to find cruise deals. Online travel agencies. Online travel agencies, OTAs, like Expedia, Travelocity, and Orbitz offer a wide range of cruise deals. These platforms allow you to compare prices across different cruise lines and itineraries, making it easier to find the best deals. Additionally, OTAs often have exclusive promotions and discounts that can help you save even more. Cruise line websites. Many cruise lines offer special deals and discounts directly on their websites. Signing up for newsletters and alerts from cruise lines such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian Cruise Line can keep you informed about the latest promotions and flash sales. These deals are often available for a limited time and can provide significant savings. Deal aggregator websites. Websites like Cruise Critic, Cruise Direct, and Cruise Compete aggregate deals from various sources, making it easy to find and compare the best offers. These sites often feature user reviews and ratings, providing additional insights into the quality of the cruises and the value of the deals. Travel agents. Experienced travel agents can be invaluable when it comes to finding the best cruise deals. They have access to exclusive offers and discounts that may not be available online. Additionally, travel agents can provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences and budget, helping you find the perfect cruise. Membership clubs and loyalty programs. Membership clubs such as AAA and Costco often offer special cruise deals to their members. Similarly, cruise line loyalty programs reward repeat customers with discounts, upgrades, and other perks. Joining these programs can lead to significant savings over time. Last-minute deals. If you have flexible travel plans, last-minute cruise deals can offer some of the best savings. Cruise lines often reduce prices on unsold cabins as the departure date approaches. Websites like Last Minute Cruises and Vacations to Go specialize in these types of deals, making it easy to find last-minute bargains. Types of cruises and their costs. Ocean cruises. Ocean cruises are the most common type of cruise and offer a wide range of itineraries and price points. Prices for ocean cruises vary greatly depending on the cruise line, destination, and length of the cruise. Budget-friendly options can start as low as $50 per day per person, while luxury cruises can cost several $1,000s per day. River cruises. River cruises are known for their intimate and immersive experiences. They typically travel along major rivers such as the Danube, Rhine, and Seine, offering scenic views and stops at historic towns and cities. River cruises tend to be more expensive than ocean cruises, with prices starting around $200 per day per person and going up to $800 or more for luxury options. Expedition cruises. Expedition cruises focus on exploring remote and less visited destinations, such as Antarctica, the Galapagos Islands, and the Arctic. These cruises often include guided excursions and expert lectures, providing a deeper understanding of the destinations. Prices for expedition cruises are generally higher due to the specialized nature of the trips, ranging from $500 to over $1,000 per day per person. Luxury cruises. Luxury cruises offer top-notch amenities, gourmet dining, and exceptional service. Cruise lines like Silversea, Regent Seven Seas, and Seabourn are known for their luxurious offerings. Prices for luxury cruises vary widely but typically start around $300 per day per person and can exceed $1,500 per day for the most exclusive experiences. Budget-friendly options. For travelers on a budget, there are several cruise lines that offer affordable options without compromising on the overall experience. Carnival Cruise Line, MSC Cruises, and Norwegian Cruise Line are known for their budget-friendly prices, with fares often starting around $50 to $100 per day per person. Additional costs to consider. When budgeting for a cruise, it's important to consider additional costs that may not be included in the initial fare. These can include port fees and taxes, gratuities, shore excursions, specialty dining, alcoholic beverages, Wi-Fi access, onboard activities and entertainment. Top cruise destinations. Caribbean. The Caribbean is one of the most popular cruise destinations, known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant culture. Popular ports of call include the Bahamas, Jamaica, St. Thomas, and Cozumel. Cruises to the Caribbean are available year-round, with prices varying depending on the season and cruise line. Mediterranean. Mediterranean cruises offer a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Ports of call often include cities like Barcelona, Rome, Athens, and Istanbul. The best time to cruise the Mediterranean is during the spring and fall when the weather is pleasant and crowds are smaller. Prices can range from $100 to $500 per day per person, depending on the cruise line and itinerary. Alaska. Alaska cruises are known for their breathtaking scenery, including glaciers, fjords, and wildlife. Popular departure ports include Seattle and Vancouver, with itineraries often visiting Juneau, Ketchikan, and Skagway. The best time to cruise Alaska is from May to September, with prices typically ranging from $150 to $400 per day per person. Northern Europe. Northern Europe cruises offer the opportunity to explore historic cities, picturesque landscapes, and unique cultures. Popular itineraries include the Baltic Sea, Norwegian fjords, and British Isles. The best time to cruise Northern Europe is during the summer months, with prices ranging from $200 to $600 per day per person. Asia. Asia cruises provide a chance to experience diverse cultures, ancient traditions, and modern cities. Popular destinations include Japan, China, Vietnam, and Thailand. The best time to cruise Asia is from October to April, with prices ranging from $150 to $500 per day per person. South Pacific. South Pacific cruises offer a tropical paradise with destinations like Tahiti, Fiji, and New Zealand. These cruises are known for their stunning natural beauty and relaxed atmosphere. The best time to cruise the South Pacific is from May to October, with prices ranging from $200 to $700 per day per person. World cruises. World cruises are the ultimate travel experience, offering the opportunity to visit multiple continents and a wide range of destinations. These cruises can last several months and often include a mix of ocean, river, and expedition cruising. Prices for world cruises vary greatly, with costs typically starting around $20,000 per person and going up to several $100,000 for luxury options. Best time to travel. Seasonality and pricing. Cruise prices are often influenced by the time of year, with peak seasons typically being more expensive than off-peak periods. Understanding the seasonality of different cruise destinations can help you find the best deals and avoid the crowds. Caribbean cruises. The best time to cruise the Caribbean is from December to April, during the dry season. However, this is also the peak season, and prices can be higher. For budget-friendly options, consider cruising during the shoulder seasons, May, June, and September, November, when prices are lower, and the weather is still pleasant. Mediterranean cruises. The Mediterranean cruise season runs from April to November, with the best weather and highest prices during the summer months, June-August. For lower prices and fewer crowds, consider cruising during the spring, April-May, or fall, September-November. Alaska cruises. The Alaska cruise season is relatively short, running from May to September. The peak season is from June to August when the weather is warmest and daylight hours are longest. For better deals, consider cruising in May or September, when prices are lower, and the weather is still favorable. European river cruises. The best time for European river cruises is during the spring, April-June, and fall, September-October, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. Summer, July-August, can be more crowded and expensive, while winter cruises, November-March, offer unique experiences such as Christmas market cruises. Asian cruises. The best time to cruise Asia is from October to April, during the dry season. Prices are generally higher during this period, especially around major holidays like Chinese New Year. For lower prices, consider cruising during the shoulder seasons, May, June, and September, October. South Pacific cruises. The best time to cruise the South Pacific is from May to October, during the dry season. Prices can be higher during this period, especially in July and August. For better deals, consider cruising in the shoulder months, April and November. How to maximize savings. Booking early versus last-minute deals. Booking your cruise well in advance can often secure the best rates and offer more cabin options. Cruise lines frequently offer early booking discounts and promotions. On the other hand, if you have flexible travel plans, last-minute deals can provide significant savings, as cruise lines look to fill remaining cabins close to the departure date. Choosing the right cabin type. Selecting the right cabin type can impact the overall cost of your cruise. Interior cabins are typically the most affordable, while ocean view and balcony cabins offer more amenities and space at a higher cost. Suites provide the most luxurious experience but come with a premium price tag. Consider your budget and preferences when choosing a cabin type. Off-peak travel. Traveling during off-peak periods can result in substantial savings. Off-peak times vary by destination but generally include periods outside of major holidays and school vacations. Additionally, cruises during shoulder seasons can offer lower prices and fewer crowds while still providing good weather conditions. Package deals. Many cruise lines offer package deals that bundle together various amenities and services, such as drink packages, shore excursions, and specialty dining. These packages can provide better value compared to purchasing each item separately. Look for all-inclusive deals or promotions that include additional perks at no extra cost. Onboard savings tips. Once on board, there are several ways to save money on your cruise. Consider the following tips. Take advantage of included meals and beverages rather than purchasing specialty dining options. Participate in free onboard activities and entertainment. Look for discounted shore excursions or explore ports on your own. Purchase drink packages if you plan to consume alcoholic beverages regularly. Take advantage of onboard sales and promotions for spa treatments, souvenirs, and other items. Case studies and examples. Example deals from various cruise lines. Carnival Cruise Line, a 7-day Caribbean cruise from Miami with stops in Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and Ocho Rios. Prices start at $499 per person for an interior cabin. Royal Caribbean, a 10-night Mediterranean cruise from Barcelona with stops in Nice, Rome, and Florence. Prices start at $1,200 per person for an ocean view cabin. Norwegian Cruise Line, a 7-day Alaska cruise from Seattle with stops in Juneau, Skagway, and Ketchikan. Prices start at $899 per person for a balcony cabin. Viking River Cruises, an 8-day Rhine River cruise from Amsterdam to Basel with stops in Cologne, Strasbourg, and Breisach. Prices start at $2,199 per person for a standard cabin. Silver Sea Cruises, a 14-day expedition cruise to Antarctica with stops at the South Shetland Islands and the Antarctic Peninsula. Prices start at $11,000 per person for a suite. Comparison of prices and amenities. To help you make an informed decision, here is a comparison of prices and amenities for different cruise lines and cabin types. Cruise line. Destination. Duration. Cabin type. Price, per person. Included amenities. Carnival Cruise Line. Caribbean. 7 days. Interior. $499. Meals, basic beverages, onboard entertainment. Royal Caribbean. Mediterranean. 10 nights. Ocean View. $1,200. Meals, basic beverages, onboard entertainment, kids programs. Norwegian Cruise Line. Alaska. 7 days. Balcony. $899. Meals, basic beverages, onboard entertainment, specialty dining. Viking River Cruises. Rhine River. 8 days. Standard, $2,199. Meals, shore excursions, wine and beer with meals, Wi-Fi. Silver Sea Cruises. Antarctica. 14 days. Suite. $11,000. All-inclusive, butler service, shore excursions, premium beverages. Testimonials from travelers. Jane D., I booked a last-minute deal with Norwegian Cruise Line for an Alaska cruise and saved over 50%. The scenery was breathtaking, and the onboard experience exceeded my expectations. Mark S., we booked our Mediterranean cruise with Royal Caribbean through a travel agent who found us an amazing deal. The ports of call were incredible, and the service on board was top-notch. Lisa M., our family enjoyed a budget-friendly Caribbean cruise with Carnival. The kids loved the onboard activities, and we appreciated the value for the money. Conclusion. Finding the best cruise deals requires research and flexibility, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By exploring various sources for deals, understanding the costs associated with different types of cruises, and considering the best times to travel, you can secure a fantastic cruise vacation at a great price. Remember to take advantage of early booking discounts, last-minute deals, and package offers to maximize your savings. Whether you're dreaming of a Caribbean escape, a Mediterranean adventure, or an Alaskan expedition, there's a cruise deal out there waiting for you. Start planning your dream cruise today and embark on an unforgettable journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.